Welcome back to this video. In this quick Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to show you how to simply show your Photoshop ruler. So let's begin. The very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. You have to navigate to View. Then from View, you have to make sure you scroll down right here. Make sure you click on Rulers, or better still, you press Ctrl plus R on your keyboard. Then your ruler is going to display from vertical and horizontal, just like what you see right here. And if you want to hide the ruler, simply go back to View from the top right here, and make sure you click on Rulers, or you press Ctrl R. The ruler will be disabled. You want to get the ruler back, go back to View, and make sure you navigate to Ruler. It's as simple as that. Then you can also drag the ruler from here. You can drag to the center of the workspace. You can drag from vertical and horizontal, drag the ruler to whatever you want to drag them. If you really want to hide some of the ruler you drag into your Photoshop workspace, you can simply take the ruler back. So just make sure that you take the ruler like this, then you drag it back, or better still, press Ctrl H on your keyboard. The ruler is going to be disabled. This is a simple way to show ruler and how you can hide your ruler in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.